Today we are making dark chocolate almond oat bites. Friends, you are gonna love this recipe. So we're gonna add oat flour and almond butter. You can buy oat flour, you can make oat flour like I did. It's super easy. You can use almond butter, you can use cashew butter. It doesn't matter, friends. Use whatever you like. This is such an easy recipe and it's just, you wanna make this, trust me. So I'm using wet hands and we're gonna grab our dough. And it's so easy to work with. So I'm gonna roll this. I'm going to roll this into roughly 1-inch bites. I recommend not making them any larger than this. You might even want to flatten them out. I was gonna make hearts, but friends, I just rolled them into balls or bites, whatever word you want to use. Then we're gonna grab a bowl and some chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate. This is chocolate that doesn't have any garbage in it, like gluten. Sorry, friends that eat gluten. It also doesn't have dairy or added sugar, and I'm using a little bit of coconut oil. This is gonna really help it to become super smooth. I'm grabbing another sheet, what is this? A cookie sheet and some parchment paper, because you're gonna see why in a second. And I'm using my microwave to melt this. You can use a double boiler. I don't have one. And in like 20 to 30 second intervals, take it out and stir it. And I'm just showing you here how I really love to stir. I mean, I clearly really love stirring. And the trick when you're using a microwave is not to overdo it. You do not want to heat this chocolate so it seizes up. Ask me how I know, friends. No, seriously, ask me in the comments. Tara, how do you know that it seizes up? Because I have done that, friends. I have done it. You can add vanilla extract to this. You can add coconut sugar, monk fruit. I thought this was absolutely perfect the way that it is. So then, as soon as I'm done stirring this, friends, I promise I'm almost done. We're gonna grab those bites, put them in the chocolate, and you see here I'm using a spoon. I should have used a fork, and you're gonna see why at the end. You're definitely gonna see why. And I decided with the rest of them actually, that I was gonna just use my fingers because I was wasting chocolate on the parchment paper. And you just wanna get these rolled out and put on the parchment paper, and then you want to sprinkle them with some flake salt. You don't want to skip this step. It is so delicious. This extra chocolate, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this in a second. Put those bites in the fridge or the freezer so they can harden up. I have another pan and parchment paper. Friends, do not throw this chocolate out. This chocolate is my favorite. It's my absolute favorite. After I eat, I take a piece or two of this, put some flake salt, stick this in the freezer, friends. You don't want to throw this out. These bites, you see how the bottom of them are a little bit flat? If I used a fork, it wouldn't have been. You definitely want to try this recipe. Head on over to my website so you can print the recipe out for yourself, double, triple, quadruple the batch. You definitely want to make it. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye, friends.